Hi, this is Joleen at Painesville Chevrolet here in Painesville, Minnesota. It's a beautiful day here in October, and I know everyone's getting ready to clean out their gardens, to get their yards ready, and to clean the house for the upcoming winter months. And people do a lot of things to get their vehicles ready too. Oil changes, new tires, new brakes, have them winterized and ready to go. But have you ever thought about cleaning the vehicle too to get ready for winter? And if you're struggling with how to get your seats clean, I can help you with that. The supplies needed to clean your seats are really quite basic and simple, and everyone should have these in their home. You'll need a squirt bottle, and I filled mine with some Dawn soap and some water, just a mixture. An old scrub brush, a few rags, and then a bucket with some hot water. I have a very festive Halloween bucket to use, so supplies are simple. And I want to show you some before and afters on the seats that we're going to be cleaning today. So obviously this is the untouched seat, and it looks like, how in the world are you going to get that out? Step one, you take your bottle of soap and water and you spray your seats down. I like a good clean, and I like to get it good and soaked in with this soap water mixture. Then scrub brush. I actually get my scrub brush wet because I like to lather this up good. And it looks like it's going to be quite a mess, but it all comes out. So now I have thoroughly scrubbed the soap in using some water on my brush, and you can see what we have now. Now I have to get that out. I take a rag, get it wet in the hot water. Don't wring it out too tight, but get most of the water out. And back to scrub. You can probably stop. So I am done working with the wet towel to try to get as much soap as possible out. I got a little carried away on the soap, so there is still some soap in here, but the next phase should probably pull that out. But I want you to see a couple things before I go to the next step. Take a look at the difference between this seat and this seat. This is one I haven't touched yet. I think you can see a dramatic difference between the two. And then the other thing, take a look at the water I've been working with. It really, really pulls out the dirt. So, all right, next phase. Take some dry towels and rub. We want to get the rest of as much of the water and soap out that we can. So then you just rub. I have seen other videos on how this is done, and people just say gently this and gently that. I'm more of an elbow grease kind of girl, so you can't hurt anything. Just get in there, and I think the fabric in the seat basically looks like new. So it's a really great trick to get your vehicles clean and ready for winter. This isn't something you want to do in January, and it's not something you want to do in July because it's too hot to do it, but I think the seat turned out fantastic. If when it dries, you still have some spots or stains or things you want removed, just repeat the process. You're going to be really happy with the results. Happy fall, everyone.